Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the first intermediate grade for the second semester of this year. Our subject, as you know, is the English language from the book Full Blast 2. Our lesson for today is 1A, delicious. This is the second part. So today we have grammar and write. This whole presentation is prepared and it will be presented to you by Sultan Shahrani. So first of all, thank you very much all of you for being with me. It's a pleasure to be with brilliant students like you. The second thing, I want to make sure that you understand our book is Full Blast 2. It is not Super Goal, it is Full Blast 2. Okay? The third thing, I want to ask you something. Everyone, are you ready to begin our lesson? Very nice, let's go. Today we will learn number 1, countable and uncountable nouns with a or an and with some. So we will learn today how can we use some with nouns and also a with nouns and the same thing with an with the nouns. The second thing, write about food that you like and dislike. So we will learn how to write about food that you like and the food that you dislike. Let's start with the grammar. Countable and uncountable nouns. A or an and also some. So with the nouns we can use a, we can use an, or maybe we can use some. So the first one, a, we use it with countable singular noun. Countable, so we can count it. When I say countable, maybe some of you will say, excuse me, what do you mean by countable and uncountable? Countable, I can count this thing. For example, I have 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens, and so on. I have 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls. I have 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, and so on. But the uncountable, we cannot count it. For example, water or water. I cannot count the word water. I cannot say 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters. No, this is wrong. This is not correct. Also the same thing with sugar. It's uncountable. I cannot say 1 sugar, 2 sugars, 3 sugars. No. Sugar. Okay? So with the a, we use it with countable. I can count it. Singular, only 1. Not more than 1. Only 1. When I say singular, I mean 1. When I say plural, I mean 2, 3, 4, 5, more than 1, okay? Singular, only 1, noun. Okay? For example, tomato. Tomato is countable. 1 tomato, 2 more tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, and so on. Singular, tomato. 1 tomato. I didn't say tomatoes. No, tomato. Okay? Noun, it is noun. So I can say a tomato. Okay? An is the same as a. It's the same. Countable, the same. Singular, the same. Noun, it's the same. But and we use it with words that start with vowels. Words that start the first letter, this one, is a vowel. What are vowels? We know that the vowels are A, O, E, I, and U. But this one, a, we use it with consonants. What does it mean, the consonant? It means the rest of the letters. All of the letters, but not the vowels. For example, B, C, D, F, G, S, T, W, and so on, okay? but those 5 are vowels. Only with these 5. We know that the English has 26 letters. 26 letters, okay? 5 of them vowels, A, O, E, I, U. 21 letters are consonants. They are consonants, but these 5 are vowels. Okay? So, we have an example, apple. The first letter is A. Apple. So we have to say an apple. An apple. Okay? So again, and an, we use them with countable singular noun. The same, countable singular noun. But with consonant, the first letter is consonant. But an with vowels, the first letter is vowel. Okay, let's go to some. Some we use it in 2 places, in 2 situations. Number 1, uncountable nouns. Uncountable. I cannot count it. For example, cheese. I cannot say 1 cheese, 2 cheeses, for example, 3. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's not correct. It's uncountable, okay? So, some cheese. Number 2, also we can use some with countable plural noun. This is countable singular, okay? But this one plural, more than 1. For example, tomatoes. 4 tomatoes, 10 tomatoes, 100 tomatoes. So we have to say some tomatoes. Some tomatoes. Okay, so some, we use it with uncountable nouns like cheese, milk, water, sugar, and so on. We use some with countable plural nouns. For example, tomatoes, apples, oranges, some tomatoes, some apples, some oranges, and so on. Okay? Very nice. So we have a sentence as an example here. Let's say, there is a banana, countable, singular, one, noun, countable, singular, noun, and it starts with B. This is B, okay? A banana, an orange, countable, okay, singular, noun, but starts with O. Can you see the O? An orange, so we have to use an orange, and some milk. Milk is uncountable noun, okay? Milk, water, cheese, and so on. Some milk in the fridge. There are some cherries, 2 cherries, countable plural noun. 1 cherry, 2 cherries, 3 cherries, 4 cherries. Okay, some cherries, 2. Okay? Very nice. So I think now you understand it. We have an evaluation complete with a, an, or some. Let's see. Number 1, A. Let's buy tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okay, tomato, 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes. So it's countable. Okay, countable. It's plural. Tomatoes, plural. Noun. Countable, plural, noun. Let's go back. Countable, plural, noun. So we have to use some. Okay? Some. Excellent. Let's buy some tomatoes and peppers. Countable, plural, peppers. Plural, noun. The same. Some peppers. B. Okay, but we need chicken. Okay, what do you think about this one? Some chicken, exactly, some chicken, okay? Because we are cooking, we want to make dinner or lunch or something, and I want chicken meat. Chicken meat. So the chicken meat is uncountable. Some of you will say, no, we can't count chickens. 1 chicken, 2 chickens, 3 chickens. Yes, we can do that when we have alive chickens. Alive. But now we are talking about the meat, only the meat. I don't talk about the whole chicken, The whole chicken? No, I'm talking about only the meat. I want the meat to make a dinner or lunch. Or can you see it? Tomatoes, peppers. I'm hungry. So we want to make something to eat. Okay? So it's uncountable. The chicken meat is uncountable. But regularly, we say chicken, only chicken. We mean chicken meat. Next, and cheese too. What do you think? Cheese too. Cheese, uncountable. Exactly, uncountable. 2a, I'm hungry. B, here, have yogurt. Yogurt, countable or uncountable? Uncountable, so we have to say some yogurt. Okay, some yogurt. So we are talking about the yogurt itself. Some yogurt. Number 3a, there is orange. Orange, singular. Countable, singular. Start with O. Okay, countable, singular, and start with O. Let's see. Countable, singular, noun, start with O. So we have to say an. Exactly. Excellent. An orange. There is an orange and cherries. Cherries. More than 1, 5, 10, 20 cherries. Some, it's plural. Plural, countable, plural noun in the fridge. B. What about bananas? There is banana. Countable, singular, noun. Countable, singular, noun. And it starts with B. Consonant, not vowel. A banana on the table. Excellent. Number 4, A. I want apple. A. Countable, singular, noun with A. Start with A. An apple. Excellent. B. I think there are apples. Apples. Plural. Countable, plural. It's just like tomatoes. Some. Exactly. On the kitchen table. Thanks. Very nice. Excellent. Write a few sentences about the food you like and you don't like. For example, you have to say I like, I don't like. For example, I like apples. I like apples. I like milk. I like milk. I don't like chocolate. I don't like chocolate. I hate chocolate. I don't like sweets. I don't like sweets. Okay? For example, those are some examples. I want you, after we finish our lesson, to write as many sentences as you can with like and as many sentences as you can with don't like. Okay? Very nice. Like 5, 6, 7, 10, 15 sentences, as much as you can. So when I say like, I mean I love apples. I like them. I love them. Okay? I don't like, I hate chocolate, for example. Today we learned, number 1, the first thing, countable and uncountable nouns, a or an. Also, we talked about some. Number 2, write about food that you like and dislike. So those are the references that we used today. Full plus 2, student book, teacher's guide, audio, Google clip art for pictures. Those are the contacting numbers, the websites, the account for Ain website and for Tatweer company. So this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much all of you for being with me. I hope I see you next time. Goodbye everyone.